everyone. Welcome to fourth episode of the series. In this video, we'll try to get few things set up. Primarily being getting the OpenAI API key, which would be very useful for us once we start coding. In order to create the API key, all you have to do is go to Google, search for OpenAI API key. Go to the first URL which you see. I've already signed up, so you'll have to sign up in the website and maybe do some payment to get some uh, credentials added. Once you have it and you are on your dashboard, you'll see something like this. You'll have some project. I just named it default project. You'll have option to create your secret key. You can create more than one keys. So I'll go ahead and create a new key just so that you can understand how to do that. I'll name it PDF.ai clone as the name of the key, and for now I'll keep the permissions as all. Later we'll understand what different permissions mean, and I'll go ahead and create the secret key. So we have our secret key here. I'll copy it and I'll use it for the entire project. Now you don't have to view the key here. I'll anyway delete it, so it might not be useful if you plan to do copy it. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Keep this key in hand. It would be useful in our project. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.